All right, so I very spontaneously decided to start painting this window. The thing about this window is that it doesn't open apart from like this little tiny bit at the top, which just obviously is just to let in a little bit of air. But then this part, it's double glazed, and it's, you know, when the double glazing is not working right anymore and there's like moisture trapped between, and it just always looks awful. And I'm not particularly bothered about the view outside the window because it's not that interesting. It's just the back of a bunch of houses. And so I'm thinking, do you know what, I don't actually need to see out of this window. Let's paint it. That's going to be a lot more fun.
Okay, we'll teach you a fun German word. One of my favorite German words. Okay, prepare yourself. Nacktschnecke. It means snail. I mean, like a Streichholzschäfchen or something, right? Which is a little matchbox, but it's not a fun word. It's just an annoying word to say. I'm trying to think of a literally new word. Katze, right? Scratching. Okay, today I have plans for us, which is that I wanted to do this and I waited to do this until y'all were here so that I could do it with you.
I had like some vague ideas in my head, but I did not plan out what I was going to do at all. And I'm still not really sure what I'm going to do, but I'm just going to kind of make it up as I go along. So I hope you enjoy this fun little experiment. I was donated a bunch of acrylic paints. That's what I'm using on the glass. All I need to figure out is what color each of the parts. Basically, my idea was to like make a rainbow. This texture I made with a little crumpled up bit of tissue paper, and I just kind of splodged it, okay, to make this kind of rough texture. And then here, I just kind of swirled the paintbrush around to make it. I'm trying to make a swirly texture. I don't know if it's gonna work. Just pull this. All right, tell me the truth. Do you love it? Or do you love it? I do feel like the bluish side needs a little bit more opacity. Is that the right word? Because the color of the yellow side, the green side is like a lot stronger, I think, and then like the blues look a little bit kind of like pale and faded to me. I don't know. Yeah, I think I might just add a little bit more to make the colors a little bit stronger. Where's my purple gone? Purple, 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 purple. Give me more purple. I'm trying to get it as even as possible. Every now and then I get little patches that just do not want to cooperate with me. I just have to wait for it to dry, be patient, and then come back to it. Be patient, she said. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. As if I'm going to be patient. Oh gosh, oh, this is quite red. Okay, let's mix that in. La 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 la. Wow, 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 what a color. What a color. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, yeah. Just go over that a little bit more. That's a good transition from that to that. This is looking a bit too orange now. Okay, am I going to mess it up now if I just give it a little bit of a darker red? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Just a little bit darker red. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's not letting much light through. It's a little bit too. Oh, my gosh. Well, it's the top of the circle, so yeah, it should be the densest color. Red is the densest color. It's the lowest vibration of the spectrum of light, believe it or not. Yeah, so if you look at sound waves, red is the lowest sound wave, which means it vibrates like slow. It's like slow and heavy, like that, and then it starts speeding up as it goes. And then like when it's up at the top, like violet, it's like fast, light. And then here something mad happens because you've got mixture of and more, and somewhere in between and more is like oh. That's the spectrum of light, and I hope you enjoy. The clever thing about this is that if I'm really desperate to look out the window, I can just sneak a peek through the middle. So, yeah, don't be afraid to paint your windows. Just go for it. Go for it. And if you hate it, you can just scrub it off. And obviously, I'm going to tidy up around the edges and stuff because there's like paint all over the place. But it's that easy. Acrylic paints, that's all you need. Okay, enjoy, have fun. And if you do make some beautiful creations, then why not video it, upload it onto YouTube, and share it with me? Oh my gosh, I almost forgot that I'm going to go over the black because obviously the black is like not very solid. Here in the middle, I went over it twice, okay? So it was extra black, because I want it to look like a stained glass window, of course. And so the black is the lead, isn't it? Obviously. But here you can see it's like very streaky. So I'm going to go over that and then show you the finished result. Oh my God, please let me do this. There you go, she's done. And don't you love actually how the light kind of falls on the windowsill and you can see the reflection? Isn't that lovely? Wow, beautiful, stunning. Thank you very much. I'm exhausted now. Oh my gosh, I need to sit down. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you later. Goodbye. What's that? Yeah, that's quite nice, isn't it? One of those.